Ayon sa datos sa Amerika, there are 27% of adult children who are actually estranged from their families. Kaya ako ganito, dahil sa pagtrato mo sa akin, you didn't love me enough, you didn't have time for me, I am rebelling because of you. As parents, ang dapat nating unang response dito is not to see it as an attack whenever our kids tell us that there's actual harm that happened to them. So what I suggest is collectively as a family, you have a goal. Dapat tuwing nag-uusap kayo, meron kayo dapat gustong ma-achieve. So healing requires both parties to be willing to make changes. Reconciliation takes patience. Replace assumption with empathy. To replace accusation with communication. And to replace blame with accountability and responsibility. Nobody wins when it comes to silence and alienation and estrangement.